Here we go, HOBBYBOX604 back with another group break. This is a double box of the new ice that came out today. We did the randoms already, and this ended up being the list. Anaheim Ducks' grocery stick goes all the way down to Alex S. and the Jets. Okay, here is our boxes right there. I just picked up 2 boxes, and there they are. Good luck. We have an inner case coming up next. Only 12 spots left. First box is box number 13. What's up, Punisher box? So far, so good. See what we get. We start with a global impact of Nick Ritchie for the Anaheim Ducks. For the Anaheim Ducks, World Junior Championships to $12.99, Nick Ritchie. For the Anaheim Ducks, Level 2 Ice Premiers, 547 of 799, Nick Ritchie. Weird. Okay, if that's a Nick Ritchie, then I quit. For the Boston Bruins, number 88 of 499, Exquisite Collection, Legends, Ray Burke. For the Carolina Hurricanes, number 612 of 1499, Ice Premiers, Brett Pesh. Whoa, look at this guy, man. Holy crap. Think that's the one. I have no idea what's this picture that they used. They couldn't find a better picture of him, I guess. Ice Premiers to 1999, Duncan Siemens for the Colorado Avalanche. That's that all it's missing is wanted, $5,000. That's all it's missing. Holy crap. Come on, a big hit. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, Frozen Fabrics, Steven Stamkos. And we have a redemption. It is Glacial Graphs for the St. Louis Blues, Robbie Fabry. Come on, camera. Robbie Fabry. Called it. You did. Oh, that was one of the weakest boxes I've seen so far. Box 2 is 072. Yeah, there's lots of Fabries. We pulled a ton of Fabries in SPX, Trilogy, and now this. For the Carolina Hurricanes, Global Impact, Noah Hannafin. Oh, for the Montreal Canadiens, Ice Premiers to $14.99, Jacob Delarose. For the Anaheim Ducks, Ice Premiers, Stefan Nosen to $19.99. For the Carolina Hurricanes, Jacob Slavin to 1999. Holy, Carolina, Anaheim, Carolina, Anaheim. For the Arizona Coyotes, numbered to 1499, Henrik Samuelsson. There is the guy that Pittsburgh will get their money back. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Ice Premiers to $9.99, Matt Murray. Yeah. Sell it right now. They're going for $40 US.
Okay, I'll sell it right now.
Sell it right now. Like right now. Put it on eBay. Right now. And our our Exquisite. Oh, very nice. For the Calgary Flames, number 8 of 35. Rookie signatures, Emile Poirier, Exquisite. Sorry, Alex. Okay, it's better than nothing in a 2-box break there, Gordon. Seriously, this guy follows me everywhere. Oh, I thought it was a Connor jersey. For the Edmonton Oilers, Frozen Fabrics, Taylor Hall. And the last pack, poor performance by me. I agree. For the Vancouver Canucks, number 262 of 499, Ice Premier Autographs, Ben Hutton. There you go. Second box was way better than the first box, that's for sure. And that was group break number 809, boys and girls. Thank you for joining us, and we'll be back shortly.